Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to become aircraft maintenance engineer. So here I'm going to talk about top institute in India and what are the qualifications and what are the opportunities you will get as a aircraft maintenance engineer. So let us talk about this. So as critical pillars of the aviation sector, aircraft maintenance engineers are responsible for the maintenance, control, and repair of specialized aircraft instruments and parts. The maintenance of modern, sophisticated aircraft calls for a high degree of technical knowledge, proficiency, dexterity, integrity on part of the concerned personnel. They play a critical role towards keeping the aircrafts in flying condition and to ensure 100% flight safety. Aircraft engineers research, design, manufacture, and maintenance aircraft. With a fast-paced growth in the aviation sector, aircraft maintenance engineers are in high demand. Career opportunities as an aircraft engineer. So, major or regional airlines, all the leading commercial, domestic, and international regularly hire aircraft maintenance engineers to ensure maintenance and safety of their aircrafts. Airport authorities recruit aircraft maintenance engineers to ensure flight maintenance and safety. Aircraft manufacturing firms. Aircraft maintenance engineers are also hired by aircraft manufacturing firms where they work in research, design, and manufacture of aircrafts. So, how to become an aircraft maintenance engineer? So, you are going to have three path 1, 2, and 3. So, stream for path 1, class 12 in science, stream physics, and mathematics recommended. Path 2, clear class 12 in science stream. Path 3, clear class 12 in science stream. So if you look at this, you have to pass 10 plus 2 in science only. So let us talk about the graduation. So get an aircraft maintenance engineering license, 3 years, DGCA approved. So after getting this, of course, you can get chance as a aircraft maintenance engineer. Pursue BSc in any discipline for 3 years, and if you pursue BSc, then you have to pursue aircraft maintenance engineer training course. Yes, after that you can become aircraft maintenance engineer. Pursuing directly BSc will not help you. That's why it is showing after graduation. Now the path 3 is pursue BTech in aeronautical engineer for 4 years. So if you do these things, you will get aircraft maintenance engineer. But be clear about this. If you are graduate in science, then you have to pursue AME training courses. Now important facts. Every institute has their respective specification concerning physical fitness. I said specifically, this is not a regular degree but a specialized licensing program. On completion of training, a basic aircraft maintenance engineer certificate is provided by the DGCA, which will make one eligible for a job in the aviation industry. So BMAC is issued in multiple categories such as LA, light airplane, HA, heavy airplane, JE, jet engines, IS, instrument system, RN, radio navigation system, ES, electrical system. Post completion of BMAC, one can get the AME aircraft maintenance engineer license issued by the Director General of Civil Aviation, that is DGCA. So physics and mathematics are necessary subjects in class 12. Non-science students can apply to National Institute of Open School to meet the requirements. Student has to clear color blindness test. Okay, so now we will look at leading institutes, a top aircraft maintenance engineering institute in India. So the first is Flight Tech Aviation Academy, Hyderabad, Rajiv Gandhi Aviation Academy, Sikandrabad, School of Aeronautics, New Delhi, School of Aviation Science and Technology, New Delhi, Indian Institute of Aircraft Engineering, New Delhi. So these are the website. You can go ahead. Indraprastha Institute of Aeronautics, Gurgaon, Indian Institute of Aeronautics, New Delhi, Patna, Hindustan Aviation Academy, Bangalore; Hindustan Institute of Engineering Technology, Chennai; Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Sciences, Coimbatore; Viswesvaraya Institute of Aviation, Kottayam; Western India Institute of Aeronautics, Ahmedabad; Institute of Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, like Aurangabad. So these are the website. Now we are going to discuss about top aircraft maintenance engineering institute in the world. So University of South Wales, United Kingdom; University of Southern Queensland, Australia; Centennial College, Canada; City of Bristol College, United Kingdom; Pittsburgh Institute of Aeronautics, United States, multiple location; Vaughan College of Aeronautics and Technology, United States; Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Daytona Beach, United States. So now we will look at aircraft maintenance engineering entrance exam. So Indraprastha Institute of Aeronautics Aircraft Maintenance Engineering entrance exam is April and May. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, general knowledge. This is the website. Indian Institute of Aircraft Engineering IIAE entrance exam, April and May. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, general knowledge and mental ability. Now Hindustan Aviation Academy, that is April to 17, not available. So just go ahead and check their website. And postgraduate School of Aviation Science and Technology, any time of the year. So important elements interview. Now just look at the work description. So here you have to examining aircraft design and parts of the detriments, refurbish or supplant flawed parts, examine the security and legal necessities of the aircraft, perform regular services of aircraft at regular intervals, work according to the engineering design and plans, maintain accounts of refurbishing and sustenance work done, performing testing using relevant apparatus, gauges and electrical devices. My God, I can't even read out. Going through the aircraft technical records to check if there is any complaint about the working of the aircraft by pilots or air crew. Staying abreast with the latest technology and refurbishing methods in the field. Now it has pros and cons of a career as an aircraft maintenance engineer. So pros: perks and rewarding salary during peak time, challenging job and exciting opportunity, high demand in future, high amount of labor required. Yes, you have to know, you have to understand everything. Low pay in initial stages, so can be a stressful job, and perfection is must. Yes, of course, because everything will be depend on this. So I hope you will like this video. So meet you in the next video. For now, bye bye.